Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Sofi Ira account. Let's get straight into it. The first step, of course, is to open a Sofi account. So you got to download the Sofi app, or you can go to Sofi's website, and once you're logged in, you want to click on invest and then get started. Now you got to fill out the registration form with your personal and financial information. And next is to choose your IRA type. So you got to select retirement as your account type, and then you can choose from a couple of options that you have: traditional IRA, Roth IRA, you have SEP IRA, and simple IRA. Now you can just choose whichever one that suits your specific needs. Next, you're going to need to fund your IRA. So fund your IRA with an initial contribution, and set up automatic contributions from your paycheck or bank accounts. Next is to choose your investment. So you want to select from Sofi's investment options, including ETFs, individual stocks, index funds, and Sofi's ETFs. Now, once you're done with that, just set up beneficiaries. So you can designate beneficiaries for your IRA accounts and ensure that your beneficiaries are up to date and the information is accurate. Next, you're going to review and confirm. So you need to review your IRA account details and confirm that your information is accurate to complete these steps. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a Sofi IRA account. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you find the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one.